Located in Penedès region, La Granada is one of the biggest producers of wine and cava, a kind of champagne in this territory. This is why a great amount of fields are dedicated to the vineyard cultivation. Nearly all the grapes produced in La Granada are destined to the wine and cava production. The most extended varieties are the white ones that get to nearly 90% of the total of vineyards. The most cultivated variety is Xarel·lo, and in the second place we have the Macabeu and then Parellada, Chardonnay and Muscatell. About the black varieties, they are not so important in the township, but the most cultivated is Merlot, followed by Ull de Llebre, Pinot Noir or Cabernet Sauvignon. An excellent way to get to know all this agricultural environment, as well as the forest, the heritage, the gastronomy and all that La Granada can offer us, is the local net of pathways and routes that are indicated and that cross nearly all the township corners. In these corners we will find vineyards that belong to the 5 cellars in the town. They will allow us to discover in first person all the elaboration secrets of these products so common in the territory, the wine and the cava. One of the most emblematic is the cooperative cellar, founded in 1920. It still preserves the memories of the farming past and the cooperative soul from the beginning of the 20th century. During the big celebration in town, the Festa Major, in this cellar there is an exhibition of white and black wines. The cellar has got an agro shop for all its members. The oldest cellars in the town are the Miquel Pont cellars. Since 250 years, the different generations of the family have dedicated all the efforts to take care of the vineyards and to produce wine. This cellar has got 60 hectares, and from 2013 it is becoming an ecological vineyard. Another cellar in La Granada is Maset del Lleó, a cellar directed by the last generation of Massana family, who are handmade producers since 1777. In this cellar, and after a lot of years of hard work and continuous innovation, nowadays they offer a wide variety of wine and cava. In La Granada, there are also some young cellars, although they are proud to have some years of experience, as the cellar CIP Colomer, created in 1970, specialized in cava, a sparkling wine and wine. The cellar Ferrer and Catasús is even younger. They sold their first products to the market in 2001. In this way, they made a dream come true. Now, they cultivate 45 hectares divided in different townships, but with a spiritual center, as they call it, in Gustem's farm in La Granada. The majority of these cellars offer the opportunity to enjoy a guided tour, where you can get to know the territory and you can see in situ how these worldwide appreciated products are elaborated, the wine and the cava.